So hey guys, so for today's video, we're gonna mukbang a balut Pinoy. Yeah, just only balut Pinoy guys, because we don't have a balut in here. Actually, yesterday I was craving for a balut, but sadly guys, they don't have a balut in here. Everywhere dito sa Pinay wala silang balut guys. So I decided na balut Pinoy na lang. So, nagluto lang ako ng itlog. And then, yeah, hirap talaga kapag mag-cravings ka ng something Filipino food. Then, nasa ibang bansa ka. At tapos, wala sila dito. So, yeah, you're just gonna make your own to satisfy your cravings. So, meron akong tatlong balut Pinoy dito. And then, nagawa din ako ng sausawan. So, nagawa lang ako ng suka. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng cucumber, tapos onion, and then konting paminta, asin, then sugar, and then meron din tayong asin, and then of course coke. Meron din tayong coke in here guys. So yeah, let's try. Yeah, wala talaga silang balut dito. Hirap talaga kapag wala yung kinikrave mo dito. So i-open lang natin to. Pero mas gusto ko talaga yung balut kasi especially yung sabaw, yun na talaga yung favorite ko sa balut, yung sabaw na mainit-init pa, tapos may yung suka, it's sobrang anghang na parang kakagatin ka sa anghang. Yun talaga yung gusto ko sa balut. So open lang natin ng maliit guys, tapos agad ang lalagyan ng asin. Then, masarap yung ginawa kong suka guys. Maraming cucumber at saka sibuyas. Lagay lang natin. Oh my god. Meron pang laptop. Babe, you don't want to try, babe?
The balut? Yeah.
Come here. So hello guys, my fiancé is here. So gusto din niya mag-try ng balut Pinoy. Actually, this is not his first time. He already tried a balut
Real
Pinoy.
balut.
The real balut and the balut Pinoy
Yes.
in the Philippines. Yeah, he already tried a balut guys. But yeah, you like it? You like balut? Yeah, you like a balut?
It's fine.
Just fine. Yeah, just fine. Hindi yan like totally na gusto niya, but it's okay.
What's this?
I think you tried a balut twice.
Maybe 3. No, I've
Oh.
eaten like at least 4 balut, I think.
Before?
Yeah.
Because mostly you just eat one
Yeah,
balut, right?
I can
No.
eat 1 balut.
When our first meeting, did you eat the 2 balut? The
Probably.
one it's a girl and the one it's a boy. How was the sauce?
It's good, yeah, I like it actually.
You want more?
No, I'm good, you can eat that.
No, you can eat that. I'm just gonna cook. If you want more, just gonna cook.
So maybe add 1 more.
I'm sure that you like it because of the sauce. It has
Yeah.
a lot of cucumber and then onion. Suka. So ayun guys, nagustuhan niya ang balut Pinoy. Yeah, did you like it, babe? Approve? Approve?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. So, mahusap na guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!